Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make text shake in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a shake effect to text in CapCut can add dynamic movement and emphasis to your video project. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make text shake in CapCut on your device. So firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the New Project button. Go to Library. Choose the video you want to use as the background for your text, preferably a blank project. Then tap Add to import it into your project. Tap on Text in the bottom menu. Then choose Add Text. And type in your desired text. Position the text on the screen where you want it to appear. Tap on the text layer and the timeline to choose it. Scroll through the bottom menu options and tap on Animations. Switch to the End tab to find animation effects on Intro. Scroll through the available effects until you find one that creates a shaking effect. Tap on the desired effect to apply to your text. You can adjust the duration of the text effect by dragging the slider to fit the desired length of your video. The shorter duration, the better. Then tap the play button to preview the video with the shaking text effect applied. Now tap on the check mark. Once you are satisfied with the effect, tap on the export button at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can effectively add a shake effect to text in CapCut, making your videos more engaging and visually appealing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.